threshold. You're investing in the only thing that is preventing you from attracting those $1,000 clients is you don't know how to do it. You have to produce what people are willing to pay for. And then I've done it from my living room, my little 1,800 square foot townhouse. Market yourself until they know your name. I marketed the Posh Academy, and I ain't done yet. Your kids is gonna be like, Mom, I go to Posh Academy. Market until they ain't gotta act who you is no more. I gotta do the sea walk. I don't know how to do it, but